to another episode of Cash Explosion.
Tonight's players paid $2 for a ticket, and look where they are now.
Guaranteed winners as soon as they walked in the door, and each of them walking away with more than $6 grand at the end of the night.
But this is Cash Explosion, so it could be way more. Let's see what happens.
Welcome tonight's Cash Explosion players to the spotlight. One by one, each player will make 3 selections on their own personal game board. Each game board holds cash prizes, doubles, and a trip to the new bonus board. After all 8 players take their turns, the top 2 scorers will have their total doubled and will play for $50,000 in tonight's Cash Challenge. I'm ready to meet our first player of the night. Fred, come on up. Fred, welcome to the spotlight.
Thank you.
So we fired up the board, starting off with our first player of the night. Pick 3 numbers.
Okay.
10, 8, and 5. You like those?
Yes.
Lock them in. Now, Fred, as our first player here tonight, you have the opportunity to set the tone of the game. You can start with doubles, you can start with a bonus. You can win so much money here in the spotlight. What are you gonna do with your winnings?
Spend it.
Spend it. On something great, I'm assuming. You have lots of grandkids?
Yes.
So the money's already spent before you even get a chance.
Probably.
Probably. All right, well, let's see how you start your game. Show us what's behind 10. $3,200. That's a fantastic start, Fred. And reveal what's behind 8. $3,500. You're at $6,700 already. And finally, how does he end this game? What's behind 5? $2,000, Fred. $8,700. That's a fantastic round. Congratulations. You can head on back to the queue. The board is refreshed and ready to meet its match. April, it's your turn.
Oh, I'm very excited to be here. Took a long time, but I'm here.
Hi, April.
Hi.
So when you found out you were gonna be on Cash Explosion, I'm sure you thought to yourself, oh, I could really use that money for, and then fill in the blank.
My son, my family.
Nice.
Came in good.
Came in good, nice.
Right on time.
So lots of things to spend your money on. Tell me about what you want to spend your money on in terms of education.
Helping paying back my school loans and my son.
Paying for your school loans and your son. Nice, so
yeah.
you're in school yourself?
Yes.
Oh, awesome. What are you studying?
Human resources.
Human resources.
Yes, I'm going for my master's.
You're going for your master's. High five. That's awesome. All right. Well, let's see if we can get you enough money where you don't even have to work if you don't want to.
I hope so.
Right. So pick 3 numbers. 2, 14, and 20. If you like those, hit that big lock button. Nice. Locked them in. Okay. Let's see how you start your game. Show us what's behind 2. And you get a double! So our spotlight is glowing. Pick a letter. We'll double whatever you find. So touch the letter at the top. Picking the S. What are we doubling? What's behind the S? $2,200 is doubled to $4,400. That's a fantastic start. Reveal what's behind 14. Another double! I don't know that I've ever seen 2 doubles in a row like that. That's great. So again, pick a letter, not the S, and we will double whatever's back there. Show us what are we doubling behind G. $2,400 is doubled to $4,800. That puts you at the top of our leaderboard, and we still have 1 number left. Breathe, breathe. What's behind 20? $2,000, April. That puts you at $11,200 and at the top of our leaderboard. If you can stay there, we'll see you in the Cash Challenge. Great round.
We've got to take a quick break, but don't go away. We got 6 players still willing to test their luck. Since 2010, Cash Explosion fans donated more than 16 tons of food during our annual Facing Hunger campaign. Here's to making our 7th year the biggest yet. From now through April, any food donation you bring to a Cash Explosion episode taping will get you an additional chance to win studio prizes and merchandise during the show. All donations will go to the Ohio Association of Food Banks to help restock the shelves of community food pantries across the Buckeye State. Come on, Ohio. Help us help our neighbors in need, and everyone wins.
Welcome back. Before the break, our first 2 players face their boards and set the bar for the rest of the game. Now let's see if our remaining competitors can take over one of those top spots, starting with Mary Ellen. Come on up to the spotlight.
So exciting to have your name picked. I mean, it is just so exciting. I keep using that word 100 times. It just, you don't expect it. You put the entries in, but you don't expect it, so really exciting.
Mary Ellen, I think there's some people in the audience who know you.
I do.
I think they have signs.
Wonderful family.
Look at their signs.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. So I see Bo Grandma. So you got grandkids, daughter in the audience?
Yes.
Awesome. So what are you going to do with your winnings today?
I want to go on an Alaskan cruise.
Oh, Alaskan cruise. It's cold. You want to go to more cold?
Later.
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 Maybe take a summer trip
Yes,
on an Alaskan cruise. Nice. All right, well, let's see if we can get you on that cruise. Pick 3 numbers. 2, 13, and 18. You can change those right now, but if you like them, hit that big lock button. Locking them in. All right. Let's see if we can get Mary Ellen on that cruise. Show us what's behind 2. $3,400. Nice. That's a fantastic start. Show us what's behind 13. $5,000. You got $8,400 and still more money to win. Finally reveal 18. $3,300. Mary Ellen, that puts you in our top spot with $11,700. Congratulations. All right, let's see if we can keep on changing up that leaderboard. Jimmy, come, let's mix it up.
It feels great to be a winner on Cash Explosion. And the only way to get here is to buy the ticket.
Jimmy, welcome to the spotlight.
Thank you.
Now, when we were getting ready for the show, I can see as the audience is coming in, and the first thing I saw was, are those pom-poms? Like, who brought pom-poms to cheer for you today?
My wacko wife.
Your wacko wife? I love it. I need pom-poms for the next show. That's really, really inspiring. So, Jimmy, here you are in the spotlight. What are you hoping to spend your money on today?
Well, the holidays are coming, so
That's
probably
right.
something there.
Nice.
Probably buy me some more tickets.
Buy some more tickets, get on the show again. How awesome would that be?
Yeah.
That would be amazing. Great, we'll pick 3 numbers.
Okay.
12, 17, and 20. 12, 17, and 20. Now, we haven't had a bonus today. We did see 2 doubles. So let's see if we can get you to get one on our bonus board and maybe a double. Let's see how you start your game. What's behind 12? $3,200. It's a great start. Flip 17. $2,200. So you're at $5,400. You're gonna need some more money if you wanna get to the top of that leaderboard. Reveal what's behind 20. $2,000. Jimmy, that gives you $7,400 from a $2 ticket. Congratulations, that's lots more Cash Explosion tickets for you. So we've reached the halfway point in the game, so we gotta take a quick break.
And when we get back, I'll be here with the last 4 players when they take the spotlight next. Were you a cheerleader? Is that why you like the pom-poms?
Yes,
You
I
were?
was, yeah.
That does not shock me in the least bit.
Want your chance at fame and fortune in the spotlight? A lucky Cash Explosion ticket is still the only way to get here. If you find entry 3 times, you're eligible for a contestant drawing. Enter your ticket online or through the mail and then keep watching. We announce contestants live every Saturday. Good luck.
The holiday season is officially underway, so add some fun and excitement to those get-togethers with some of the Ohio Lottery's new instant games. Secret Santa, Winter Riches, Old Man Winner, and $5 million jackpot. There's nothing like a good scratch. Good luck. Welcome back. Look, this holiday season is officially underway, so surprise your loved ones with some Cash Explosion tickets. A $2 ticket that pays off big for people like you every single Saturday night, and it's about to pay off for our next player right now. Jennifer, it's time to take the spotlight. Hi, Jennifer. Are you excited to be here?
Super excited.
Good. Well, I'm going to let you pick your numbers first, and then we'll talk.
Okay.
11, 18, 17. Locking them in. And I know you want to lock those in because I know what those numbers mean. Why don't you tell all of Ohio what 11, 18, 17 is?
This will be the day that my daughter is born.
Awesome. So well, congratulations, first of all. And it's like we're having a bridal. Or I'm sorry,
We're having a girl.
You're having a girl, all pink in the audience, like we're having a baby shower here. And what's weird, people at home may not realize the baby will be here when this actually airs. So you'll get to watch yourself win with your brand new daughter.
Definitely.
That's awesome.
That's
You
exciting.
ready?
Yeah.
Let's see how you start this game. What's behind the 11? $2,600. That's a good start. We need more. We need more. What's behind the 18? $2,200. Come on. Bigger money behind 17. What's there? $3,100. Jennifer, you just won $7,900. Congratulations. Okay, Carlos, if you're feeling lucky, come up here and join me. Were you applauding? Were you clapping or you were doing this?
Doing that.
You're doing that. What's that? Tell me what that, I know what that means, but tell all of Ohio what that means.
It means rain money.
That's
rain
right.
Money.
You ready? All right. Well, I'll tell you
Yes,
what.
sir.
Before you do that, you told us you're here. Your honeydew lamb is here.
Yes.
Who and what is a honeydew lamb?
That's just a figure of speech that
Yeah.
I call them.
Yeah.
I mean, I ain't never heard it before. and
I
said,
haven't
well,
either. Yeah.
My honeydew lamb.
That's your honeydew lamb. Where is your honeydew lamb? There she is. There she is. Carlos, pick your numbers. 6, 8, and 11. You happy with those?
Yep.
You think you make it rain with those numbers? All right. What's behind the 6? $3,300. It's a good start. But look at this board. You need to get up to $11,200 or $11,700. We need more than $3,300, right?
See some doubles.
You want to see some doubles? That'd be great. What's behind the 8? There you go. I didn't know all you had to do was ask for it. That was impressive. All you have to do is pick a letter that you like, and we'll double what's behind it. Behind the O, we are doubling. $3,000. That becomes $6,000. Ooh, that's good. I'll tell you what, the least you can win on one of these squares is $2,000. That will put you into second place. Let's see if you can get into first place.
First place.
What's behind 11?
Double.
$5,000. Carlos, you made it into first place. As you walk back, do this as you walk back. You deserve to. Mark, you gonna try this? You gonna try this as you walk this way? Come on up here, Mark. Yeah, you're gonna do this. It worked for Carlos, no? No.
Whatever comes.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, you sound like you're just happy to be here then.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? And you're here because a friend of yours won $25,000 on an instant ticket.
Yes.
And you just want to beat him.
Yeah.
So you need more than $25,000.
Yeah.
Let's get started. A trip to the bonus board could do that.
Well, I hope.
Yeah. 7, 14, and 12. If you're happy with it, lock them in. Mark, what's behind? You know what, Mark? Let's do this. Let's take a break. Let's just take a break. We'll be right back, find out how you do in this turn. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
How would you react if you found a double or bonus? Here's some of our memorable moments so far.
There's the
Instant cash challenge! Oh my God! I go! Yes, you go! 12, $15,000! Go to Cash Explosion's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram pages and share with us your favorite reaction.
All right, welcome back to Cash Explosion. Standing here with Mark. He has picked his numbers 7, 14, and 12. Sorry to make you wait through all those ads. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What's behind the 7? $3,400. It's a good start. Behind the 14, $2,000. What's behind the 12? $3,500. Mark, that's $8,900. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank
Enjoy
you.
that. All right. And last but not least, Tim, let's wrap up this game. All right, Tim. It'd be great to be at the top of this board, but being the last person to play, all you have to do is make more than $11,700 and you're going to the cash challenge. Yeah? It's just that simple. I'd like to find a trip to the bonus board. Would you like that?
Yeah.
All right, let's pick your numbers. 3, 12, and 19. He locks them in. Looking for big, big money here. What's behind the 3? $2,600. Trying to get to $11,800. What's behind the 12? There you go. There you go. All right, you need to think about this. We got money hidden behind those letters. Whatever you find, we double. T. Behind it, we are doubling. 3,000. That becomes $6,000. You're at $8,600. 3,200. 3,200 will send you to the cash challenge.
There.
You think it's there?
Yeah.
We're gonna take a break. No, we're not. I'm just messing with you. What's behind the 19? $2,400. So close. Great money. Thanks for playing. $11,000. That is it, folks. That is the end of the game. I need to declare our top 2 winners. That just happens to be Carlos and Mary Ellen. You are going to the cash challenge. I want you to take a look up here at the board because we've got work to do. Carlos, you're at $28,600. Mary Ellen, $23,400.
Wow, will we crown a new champion or will our defending champion Darren scoop up another $50K? Stick around to find out. We'll be right back. Tonight's winning numbers and the winners of a spot on the January 20th Cash Explosion show are coming your way, live from the Ohio Lottery Studios in Cleveland. Good luck. Welcome back to Cash Explosion's Columbus Studios, where 3 lucky competitors now face off for life-changing money in the Cash Challenge. Players, the name we see first 3 times is our winner. And Darren, as our defending champion, you pick first. Pick a number.
Let's go with number 1.
Let's see who's hiding behind number 1. Carlos, nice. So your name was on the board. Pick a number.
7.
Whose name is behind 7? You again. Now, Mary Ellen, if you find Carlos's name, he is our winner. If you find your name or Darren's name, then the game keeps going.
No pressure here.
A lot of pressure, huh?
2.
Reveal who's behind 2. Mary Ellen.
All right.
That's a look of major relief. Darren,
Number 6.
reveal who's behind 6. Mary Ellen again. All right, Carlos. If you find your own name, you are the winner of $50,000. If you find Mary Ellen's name, she's the winner. If you find Darren's name, the game keeps going.
Number 3.
You think your name's hiding behind number 3? Do we have a winner? Darren. Darren, you're still in this. You feel better. Mary Ellen, it's your turn.
5.
Who's behind 5? Mary Ellen's our winner! $50,000! Mary Ellen Klent of Harrison is tonight's champion. A $50,000 prize goes home with her, and she'll keep playing for more Cash Explosion cash.
Take a chance on a $2 Cash Explosion ticket. It could land you right here. Good night.
My youngest granddaughter that's here, this is Lauren.
Awesome. Can you just wave to the camera, let everybody see you?
$2 ticket. I got mine at Miami Valley Gaming. Wonderful place to go, so double win.